In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows. Now, there's something important you need to know right away. Photoshop Express is no longer available as a separate desktop installer. It is now built inside Adobe Express. So if you're looking for Photoshop Express on your Windows PC, what you actually need to install is the Adobe Express app. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and updated software guides. Alright, let's get started. We're going to begin with the official method, which is installing Adobe Express directly from the Microsoft Store. This is the safest and most recommended way to install it on Windows. First, click on the Start menu on your PC and type Microsoft Store, then open it. Once the store is open, go to the search bar at the top and type Adobe Express. Press Enter and you should see Adobe Express appear in the search results. Make sure it's the official app published by Adobe. Click on it to open the app page. Now simply click the Get button or Install button, depending on what you see. The download will begin automatically. This may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once the installation finishes, click Open, or you can close the store and open Adobe Express directly from your Start menu. When you launch it for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in. Use your Adobe account to log in. If you don't have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. After signing in, you'll have access to Adobe Express, and that's where you can use Photoshop Express features for quick photo editing, background removal, filters, resizing, and more. And that's it. You've successfully installed Photoshop Express through Adobe Express using the official Microsoft Store method. Now let's look at the second method, which is installing Adobe Express as a desktop app directly from your browser. This works using something called a progressive web app, or PWA, and it behaves just like a normal desktop application. First, open either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, go to adobe.com/express. Once the website loads, look at the right side of the address bar. In Chrome or Edge, you should see a small install icon. If you don't see it, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser and look for an option that says Install App or Install Adobe Express. Click on Install and a small confirmation window will appear. Click Install again to confirm. Within seconds, Adobe Express will install as a desktop-style app on your Windows computer. It will open in its own separate window. You'll also find it in your Start menu, just like any other installed program. You can even pin it to your taskbar for quick access. Sign in with your Adobe account and you're ready to start editing with Photoshop Express tools inside Adobe Express. Just remember, there is no separate Photoshop Express desktop installer anymore. Everything is now integrated into Adobe Express, so whether you install it from the Microsoft Store or through your browser as a web app, both methods give you access to the same features. And that's how you install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.